What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best spray paint for rubber available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Multipurpose Spray Paint. Extremely reliable oil-based product that dries to the touch in less than 20 minutes and leaves no foul odors in its wake, with the ability to be purchased in a variety of colors, finishes and multipacks of up to 6 units. This Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Multi-Purpose Spray Paint is a high-quality oil-based formulation that is easily applied via an intuitive spray tip and dries to the touch within 20 minutes. It doesn't leave much of an odor, covers 12 square feet with one can, and is available in a wide variety of colors and finishes. It is also available in multipacks of up to 6 units, which we liked. We found the colors it produced to be rich, warm and smooth. Though this product shined with nearly every surface we threw at it, including ceramic and wood, we did run into some trouble while trying to paint vinyl furniture. Additionally, this is an oil-based formulation, so it is fairly toxic until dried. Prepare accordingly and wear gloves. When working with wood, it is not always necessary to paint, sometimes you can just use the best wood polish. Or for general purpose cleaning, hit it with the best duster now and then and it will look great. Number 2. Krylon Fusion All-in-One Spray Paint. If you're looking for spray paint that doesn't only have the best adhesion but also multi-purpose, the Krylon Fusion All-in-One Spray has got you covered. With high durable ingredients, this spray offers you maximum rust protection from corrosion. The spray, being multi-purpose, executes both indoors and outdoors painting. Not to mention, you can cover 25 sq feet and complete the work in a sip due to its fast drying capabilities. Within 20 minutes or less, it's all set to rule with no drips or errors. Most spray paints require a primer, but this one doesn't. That's because this spray paint comes with a primer and paint in one container. It can blend well on any surface smoothly without priming or sanding. In this way, you can say goodbye to your worries about the texture of the rubber forever. Besides rubber, what can be done with this? Well, it can work on ceramic, metal, plastic, rigid vinyl, wicker, PVC, tiles, iron, masonry, and laminate. Krylon spray will do your job perfectly, giving you the ultimate matte finishing, whether it's a DIY project or renewing old items. Number 3. Flex Seal Spray Rubber Sealant. People face the most problems with spray paint because they don't give a long shot on rubbers. In that case, Flex Seal Spray Paint can be your best shot spray paint. It coats a protective layer on any rubber surface to fight any situations that are tossed at it, be it summer or winter. In summer, it won't drip or sag and won't crack in winter. The reason why it thrives in protection is that it has multiple aspects of this caliber. Like it can seep into cracks or holes and seal the rubber with a rubberized coating. And since the paint is flexible and pliable, you can bend the painted things the way you want. You won't have the chance to see a scratch. There's too little spray paint in the market that can do wonders on both wet and dry surfaces. And the Flex Seal is one of them. You can spray on both surfaces blindly. However, once you've applied this sealing coating, you can get started with the painting, any color you love. And talking of functionality, it isn't limited to only rubber's surfaces. You can enjoy sealing arts, crafts, metal roofs, overlapped seams, drip edges, flat roofs, ponds, fountains, gravels, rubberized and granulated roofs, and many more. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Leak Seal Flexible Rubber Coating Spray. It's obvious we opt for spray paints that can dry as fast as possible. And the Rust-Oleum Leak Seal Spray Paint doesn't disappoint when it comes to fast drying contents. It can dry in just 30 minutes and cover up to 8 square feet. Its high sealing properties can quickly fix cracks up to 1/4 inches and prevent leaks from any damaged part. Especially in rubber, the paint can seal and deal on a flexible surface. The fascinating fact about this spray is the stop rust formula. It prevents rust from building up on the paint and doesn't let corrosion penetrate, providing strong protection. And water resistance also backs it up from water splashes. With multiple options, you can achieve a flat, smooth finishing with both latex or oil-based paints. Since it dries out instantly, the smooth finishing will not drip or sag, and you can paint it right after it dries out. Moreover, exterior and internal rubber materials can be painted on by this spray paint. Even other materials, like aluminum, metal, PVC, concrete, masonry, vinyl sliding, fiberglass, galvanized metal, and even asphalt. That's a total versatility, indeed. Number 5. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Amp SealSpray. A Rubbermaid material, either kept outside or inside, has to be waterproof as it'll face a lot of water splashing, rain, etc. Well, you can't go wrong with the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and SealSpray Paint to make the rubber more waterproof. It's not just limited to water resistance, it's UV resistant too. This spray can stay firm under high temperatures from 40 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a huge plus to shop owners who work under different weather conditions. And what about the versatility? It has an applicator nozzle that delivers an even coat on any kind of rubber item and makes it easy to use. Guess what? Besides rubber, you get to use the paint on glass, fabric, tiles, metals, aluminum, brick, windows, roofs, gutters, chimneys, PVC pipes, RVs, DIY projects, and many more. In addition to all these factors, you can enjoy multiple options of working with both latex and oil-based paints. Moreover, if you're DIY, it's a plus. The spray paint has the ultimate sealing capacity and prevents leaks, allowing you to paint it on any rubber surface flawlessly. But the drawback is you can't cover more than 12 sq/foot. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.